my room. This might be the one that's going off. Might be in here. Yep, I just heard it again. 4 times now. It was back that way somewhere. There's not no smoke alarm in that bathroom, but there's one in the hallway. We've never heard it go off. Never.
It ain't going off, so the battery's gonna be.
Hey, I want some peanut butter. Did you buy more of these too?
Not recently. What y'all do at Grandma's today?
We had fun, but it was okay. But we did hear her smoke alarm go off not one single time.